Actually, the Shishil Garage has been established in 1980. So my uncle started it in Dubai, and like it's been 40 years we are in Dubai serving the motor industry, and we were located in Al Aweed before, and now we have shifted our garage and in Al Quds. So it's been a pleasant journey throughout these 40 years. We have been facing so many challenges, and we have seen all those up and downs in the market, and up and down for the Dubai. So overall, it was a pleasant journey.
Before using the garage plug, we were on the manual invoices. We were making the invoices manually and then making them file in the system gradually, day by day. And after that, we make the reports and send it to our customers. All those things, because for my workshop, my garage, most of the customers are on the credit terms. So on this scenario, we have to make the reports on the daily basis and finalize on the monthly closings, and then we have to send them to the our customers. For that reason, sometimes it happens it get delays due to the manual entry of the invoices in the system, and then make the record and then make the reports and send them to the customers. It get delays, and several times it gets some confusions in the values and all those things, and sometimes the invoices misplaced, and that is why we're facing several issues for the filing the total business or total sale amount to our customers. And after the garage plug we got, this thing get very easy. Now we are not having any headache of keeping the records and keeping all those invoices with our manually or in the hard copies. All of things are in the system. All of those things are in the PDF forms or in the the Excel form. The reports we can generate anytime, anywhere. We can get these things. So in this scenario, we are we have get so much ease for the reporting section and the invoicing section, especially. It is a great ease to all of my field fellows who are working in the same garage line. So it can be very easy for them to make the invoices and send them to the customers and manage their inventory. Now they can sitting in the home, like, they can see that what are the store value, what is the store value, what is the sales they have made today, what are the sales they have made yesterday. And one more thing is that there is a feature of the feedback, that once a customer came here and he have done the service and he gone back, then the message can be dropped in his inbox that give us the feedback, or you can also schedule the next service and all those things. That can attract the customer to your business. This is what I got, some the basic features from the garage plug. There are a lot more in it, but these are the basic features that can help your business to grow. So that's why I recommend this application to all my field fellows who are working in the same line, who are having the garages, the motorbikes, or the auto workshops. So they can make their business ease.